On May 2, 2024, Intuitive Code's algorithm upgraded Boeing to buy at $160. The short position was closed and replaced with a long. This is the live session where it happened. What you're about to see is real. Alex Vieira explaining, in his own words, how the algorithm changed Boeing's rating to buy and why the short position was closed to start buying on weakness between 160 and 130. The Boeing signal on May 2nd was a complete position reversal. Cover short, initiate long at $160. Confidence level 85 out of 100. AI accuracy probability 87%. The algorithm detected mathematical convergence at the bottom. Here is Alex live on Webble, Boeing, cover and buy at $160. Short position closed. The algorithm changed the rating to buy and the position flipped to long. The chart annotation and timestamp are visible on screen. Alex is clear. Boeing has structural problems and a sustainable rally may take time. That is precisely why the strategy is to buy on weakness, not on strength. The $130 to $160 range is the algorithmic accumulation zone. The deeper it pulls back toward $130, the greater the opportunity to scale your position. 10x leverage is the algorithmic standard for this convergence zone, targeting a move to $260. Boeing carries a price target of $260, a 62% move from the $160 entry. In the same session, Netflix was flagged at 562s with a target of 1,225, a 118% rally. 2 conviction buys, 2 documented targets, 1 algorithmic session. The methodology is simple. Buy on weakness, documented in real time, with every signal time-stamped before price action. Complete trade cycles, real-time execution, and public records. No selective reporting, no hindsight. Access the same real-time algorithmic signals used for Boeing, Netflix, Palantir, and the S&P 500. Start your free 5-day trial today.
Good morning, Alex here with Intuitive Code and Boeing. So what changed about investing in Boeing? Boeing, it was upgraded to buy after the share price crashed down to $160. In fact, the very bottom, 159.70. So the algorithm changed the rating to buy, and therefore I no longer have a short position in Boeing, but instead a long position. Okay, so this is the chart in Boeing that you find here. All right, I already discussed this in the past, so I'm not going to repeat myself. Boeing has structural problems, therefore a rally in Boeing, I'm referring to sustainable rally, might not occur until these issues are solved, and this might take a while, okay? So the recommendation suggested action changed to buy on weakness and not then to buy on strength, all right? So I'm going to leave it here. There was a change of rating to buy at $160 and the short position closed. So what do you have to see going forward? You can see that the stock is still trading within very deep downtrend in place, okay? So the price target also, I believe that it changed, okay? So while before you had a price target $160, this price target changed, okay? Because meanwhile, the focus has been on buying the stock on weakness, all right?
I'm a small investor. I've got less than 50,000 in the market. I started investing about a year ago, started very small with about a $3,000 account. That account grew over 600% within the first, I'd say 4 to 5 months of utilizing Alex Vieira and Elena's guidance. I've participated in multiple products of theirs. I'm a YouTube member on Alex's YouTube channel. I've utilized his individual company analysis. What I like about Alex's and Elena's approach is there's no guessing. There's no guessing if it's going to turn out in your favor, or are you on the right side of the trade? 100% of the trades that I've entered into, or 100% of the companies that I've invested in, have been winners. I've never had an investment less than 100% profit utilizing Alex and his team.